Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to turn on the notification of Trello on browser. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your Trello workspace and just simply select your profile icon or account in the top right corner of the screen. And from here, just simply go ahead and go for the settings on the drop down menu. And after that, just simply scroll down a little bit, and from here you should be able to have this option over here, guys. Allow a desktop notification. So just simply go ahead and select that one, and from here you will have a pop-up window. It will be something like this, and from here just simply select allow, and as you can see it will be allowed, and from there you should be able to receive notifications on the Trello. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like, and thanks for watching. See ya!